Well, here it is, the solar cart. I have got the solar panels off the cart. They're totally off. And I'm now starting to build the base for the solar panels. And sort of brainstorming the idea. How much fun is this? Making the base for the solar, and so that's going to extend the base another foot so I can get another 50 watts on the bottom. These are 50 watt panels, and on top I will have another 5 50 watt panels. So that maxes out my system with the 500 watts for this system is maximum for what I can. I got building materials here, and starting with the upper side here, these will be hinged. These will be hinged here also, so that they can rotate a little bit, say about 45 degrees, as we follow the sun. And I'm going to decide whether or not to make the base mobile on wheels. This is a folding base, so this will fold. And the 10 panels will fit on the cart, as will everything else in the cart moves. Now, whether or not the base should move, I do have an anchor system. I will make an anchor system for it to anchor it in the wind, but this is rated for 900 pounds. So, and this isn't. They're what is this? This is like 12 pounds per panel. So. These are 20-year panels, 25-year panels, and I have a manufacturer that will guarantee his panels for 25 years. These would be 20 years, but these don't actually have a warranty, these particular ones. But the ones I'm looking, I will be ordering some. this will all fold. I will hinge the middle here, and so that these will fold together, and then I will probably have to put a strengthener, here in the middle. Either that. That would work. Well, isn't that something? Put another base in the middle. Bingo. And then I can cut these so they fit in the base. And then instead of putting wheels on the base, although I have wheels for it, I'm not but be able to anchor the base. So take the wheels down and anchor it or lock wheels. We'll figure this out. This is so fun. And so we'll have a third base here in the middle. I'll pick up another base. And these bases fold, totally fold. This is a folding base. Folds here. See? So that all flattens out. So cool. That's fun. A little bit of innovation. I've got some steel here too that I have been thinking about. I haven't really. I got some sheet steel there on the floor. This is so much fun. Love for Morgan.